What's up guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. For this unboxing video we have VZ106114 if you want to go check it out on the Vicrez website. This is one of our rear diffusers and is gloss black and it's for the Mercedes-Benz CLA class or CLA45 fitting 2013 to 2018 models. Now let's go ahead and open this and we can show you what it looks like. Now it also does come with some mounts that you will have to mount to your vehicle as well as to the rear diffuser. Now here's the rear diffuser. And of course you can see it's in our gloss black. And then on the bottom here, the holes are kind of tiny on this one, but you can see the mounting holes, which you can bolt it in place or rivet it, however you choose to install. And then on the back top edge here, you can see plastic tabs for it to snap in to your rear bumper. And then your mounts here are your exhaust mounts. Yeah, this one goes on this side and mounts at this bottom mount point here. And then this one goes on this side, like so. And it also mounts at the same point here. And then your exhaust will fit inside here and everything will snap in place and then be bolted in with these extra mounting points here. Now that's pretty much it for this rear diffuser. If you want to see more videos just like this one or some more of our product, please consider liking it and subscribing to our YouTube channel and hit that notification bell to get notified when we post more videos just like this one.